Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to stake BNB in Trust Wallet. But before that, nothing mentioned in this video is financial advice, and I am not a financial advisor. This video is for informational and educational purposes only, so please do your own research. And with that out of the way, let's dive in. Now, first, you want to make sure you're using the latest version of Trust Wallet so you have access to the newest features and security updates. And once you're inside the app from the home screen, you want to scroll down all the way at the bottom and tap Earn. This is where Trust Wallet lists its native staking options. From here, you will see BNB Smart Chain available for staking. You want to tap on it, and you'll be able to read through the basic information about rewards, validators, and staking details. But when you're ready, simply click Stake at the bottom. Now, as you can see, I don't have this option yet, right? Now, the reason for this one is you must have a minimum amount required to stake BNB, and that is 1 BNB. So you'll need at least that amount in your wallet to proceed. So once you have that, you want to simply choose stake, then enter the amount you'd like to stake, or tap max if you want to stake everything available. Then next, you'll be able to choose a validator. By default, it may select trust nodes, but you're free to explore other validators listed in the app. Validators are important because they help secure the network, and your rewards can slightly vary depending on which one you choose. After selecting your preferred validator and confirming your staking amount, tap on continue and follow the final confirmation steps. And once a transaction is approved, your BNB will be staked and you'll start earning rewards based on the network's staking yield. That's it. Staking BNB in Trust Wallet is simple once you know where to go. So if you found this helpful, don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe for more quick guides, and I'll see you in the next one. Thanks.